Say hi.
Hi,
I'm
Miss Rose. I'm the 8th grade science teacher, and I'm going to solve some fractions for you.
Make sure to tell us everything you're thinking as you solve.
Okay. Mark has 6 cups of flour. He wants to make pizza crust, and each mini pizza needs 3/4 cup of flour. How many pizzas can he make? Explain how you got your answer. So he has 6 cups of flour, and each pizza needs 3/4 cup of flour. So I need to figure out how many times I can get 3/4 of a cup out of 6 cups. It's been a long time since I solved fractions. So the way I'm gonna do this is I know 3/4 of a cup is close to 1 cup. So if I do that 6 times, I can get at least 6 cups out of it. So if I do that 6 times, we can do 3 times 6 equals 18, I think, right? Out of 4. And then, so 18 divided by 4 is 4.5, because I know that 4 times, is that right? 4 times 4 is 16? Yeah, so there's my 4, and then there's 2 left over, and 2 over 4 is 0.5. So now I have 4.5 cups of flour, and so far I have 6 pizzas that I can make. So I have a cup and a half left over. And I know that 3/4 of a cup times 2 is a cup and a half, which will give me up to 6. So now I've got 2 plus 6 is 8, so he can make 8 pizzas. Okay, how are 2/3 and 1/4 times 1/4 and 2/3 divided by 4 similar or different? Use a picture to explain your answer. Well, 2/3 is the same as each one, so we're looking at times 1/4 and divided by 4. So one of the ways that I know to solve math is if you want to take anything, so let's say I'm gonna do b as my variable, and it's like a placeholder. I know that dividing something by 4 is the same as making it into a fraction. So like b times 1 over 4 is the same thing as b divided by 4. So you can also think of that as like b times 1 over 4. So b times 1, obviously if you take anything times 1, it's just itself. So it'd be b over 4, which is this. And then fractions like are division. So let's see. If I were to use a picture to do that, I like circles. So let's say this is b, and I'm dividing it by 4, right? So I divided it into 4. So there's that. Also, then I look at that and I'm like, oh look, 1 out of 4 are colored, and this is b. I don't know how to put into words that that's the same, but it makes sense to me. Okay, and then c. Divide 4.5 divided by 3 over 8. Explain how you got your answer. Okay. The easiest way that I'm doing that in my head is turning it all into decimals. Let's see.
That's okay, you can do that.
Can I do that?
Yeah, however you
Okay,
want.
so, but I can't do that without a calculator. If I had a calculator,
Would you like a calculator?
I would do 4.5 and 3/8 I think is like 0.65. So I would just do that if I had a calculator. I don't know if I could do that in my head. I could maybe take this times 2 until I get up to 4.5, but the other way I think I could do it is I could get a common denominator. So if I didn't have a calculator, I would do it this way. I do 4.5. So we need to turn that all into one thing. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So it would be 9 over 2. And then I want to get the bottom to be 8, so we need to take all of it times 4. So then it'd be 9 times 4 is 36, and 2 times 4 is 8. So then I could do 36 over 8 divided by 3 over 8. And if I remember this right, it's just dividing across the top, which is 12 over 8. And if I simplify that, it's 1.5. Because 12 over 8, you can take 8 out of there one time and there's 4 left over, which is half of 8, so there's my 0.5. Okay. This...
Yep, that's the end.
Yeah? Okay.